So it is absolutely crazy altcoin season right now. Some altcoins are booming like crazy. We are seeing 200 above X numbers, and we're going to be talking about recent cryptocurrency that have been going crazy, more than 200% in these cryptocurrencies in just the past week. So we'll be looking at these cryptocurrencies, reviewing their numbers, and basically going a little bit over why they are up by so much. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also drop a comment down below on what you think about these videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are on coinmarket.com right now on the homepage, and if we look at the default list, we can see these cryptocurrencies as usual, the Bitcoin, Ethereum. But if we look at the most moved cryptocurrency in the past 7 days, we obviously dog with hat on there on the top, absolutely crazy, up around 292%. But we already made a video on that, and we already told you about that cryptocurrency when it was even lower. So we told you about that still early. It was crazy high, but we already told you about that still early. But now we're going to be talking about another cryptocurrency that's up right now. It's called Floki. So right now, as you can see, Floki is up just almost about 8% in the past hour, 52%, 52.53% in just the past 24 hours, and 283% in the past 7 days. So absolutely crazy altcoin seeds right now, and most of them are meme coins. As you can see, even the top 5 most moved cryptos are Dog with Hat, Floki, Pepe, Shiba Inu, and BULLX. So all of these are meme coins. So it's not even altcoin season, it's meme coin season right now. Absolutely crazy numbers we are seeing. So let's dive deeper into Floki and just talk a little about what's going on with Floki right now. So if you look at Floki's right now, it's 3 zeros and 1326 right now. I'm just gonna remove the zeros so we can understand this better. So if we look 50% in just the past day, let's take a look at the left panel. So market cap at $1.2 billion right now, also up almost about 50%, as the price is up almost 50% as well, and 1.2 billion currently on number 81. If we talk about the volume, it is even more than the market cap. It is up around it is at around $1.4 billion, up around a crazy 128%. So that is also seeing crazy numbers in just one day. Currently at the number 14 in most traded of today. So most traded coin at number 14. If we talk about the price in just the past day, we can see 24 hours ago it had 4 zeros and 8818. So if we talk about the now, we only have 3 zeros and 1326. So up around crazy. Already removed a zero. Went absolutely crazy in the bullish momentum. We have been green the whole day, not even a single bit of red throughout the whole day. And if we now take a look at the 7-day chart, this is where we see absolutely mind-blowing numbers. 273% up in just the past 7 days. And most of this is not even in the first couple of days. As you can see, the first couple of days were a little calm. We did see some movement here in midweek, but most of the movement that we have seen has happened in just these past couple of days. So just these past 2 days. So this is where we have seen the actual movement. So absolutely crazy things happening right now. And if we take a look at still up, if we take a look at the price in the beginning of the week, it was at 403548, and it has been going crazy ever since. We have seen a little bit of movement in the midweek, and now crazy things. We can see this news on the right panel right here. crazy. Why? We can already we have seen some articles about why it is up, explaining why it has been going crazy. There's an article right here where you can go and look at why the movements, actually the back end of how it's up. So if you do want to go read that, you could go to the side panel over here on CoinMarketCap and read more about this coin. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about Floki, actually, my bad, Floki, which is absolutely crazy, going crazy right now. Crazy numbers, 270% in just the past day, absolutely 50% in just the past 24 hours. So absolutely mind-blowing numbers it is seeing right now, and it could possibly even go more. We are in an absolutely crazy meme coin season right now. Not even altcoins, only meme coins, and which have been booming recently. So we will keep you guys updated on this news. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about what's happening with this new coin, and we will keep you guys updated. So if you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live stream on this channel, which I do talk about any recent movements in the market, anything happening recently in the market. So do make sure to tune in daily for that. And I also create long form content like this on this channel, talking about any cryptocurrency that has been booming in the past times. So do make sure to check out my long form content as well. So that was about it. Do make sure to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Do make sure to drop a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.